Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You open Google Maps and go straight to Saved, then Labeled. This is where Google keeps your home marker. Once there, tap Home and press Edit to access the only supported modification flow. You do this because Google restricts Home as a special labeled place. Altering it must go through the label editor. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that stores the label. After tapping Edit, prepare to replace the address, name, or details that determine how Maps displays that pin. In the Edit screen, you change the details that indirectly influence the home pin. Google doesn't offer direct icon swaps, so you force a refresh by altering the label or address slightly. For example, add a landmark, apartment number, or a short suffix to the name. This nudges Maps to re-render the marker. Once done, tap Save and let Maps sync. If you need a visible difference, choose language-appropriate characters or emoji in the name, so the marker rendering updates more noticeably. After saving, return to the map and verify the home icon updated. If Maps still shows the old pin, force close the app and reopen it so cached tiles refresh. Make sure to allow a moment for cloud sync. Sometimes changes take a minute. If that fails, sign out of your Google account and sign back in to force a deeper sync, or edit the label again with a different small change. These steps solve most issues when direct icon controls are unavailable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.